There was a piece of advice that I found online, Sarah Murdock gave it, that I could have taken better than I did. Her advice was simply this: when you're choosing what clothes to take out of your wardrobe and put into your travel kit, pick a color scheme. I mostly did that, but once I got to Europe, I realized I would have been better off, frankly, to have switched out at least one of my articles of clothing so that they would work together. So if you look here, this is with what I've got on in the two main travel cubes here, you can see what I had to wear. I've got a pair of blue jeans. I've got a khaki pair of zip-off pants. I've got a pair of tactical shorts. It's kind of a charcoal color. I brought a bathing suit. I brought a pair of microfiber pants. I brought two of these polo shirts. I brought a dress-up, kind of collar, button-down, white shirt, and I brought a long-sleeve wool t-shirt. Most of these things worked really well together. The one thing, though, that frustrated me once I got to Europe and tried to use these clothes was this. This pair of shorts was very practical. It's very durable. It was great for hiking and things. The problem is it's just too dark in color. It doesn't work well with either of the gray shirts that I brought. So I found that my pants, which I kind of needed to keep nice enough to go to fancier places, worked great because they're light in color. This pair of pants I had to basically only wear with my one shirt, which was not good. So when you're looking at what to bring, you've got to do the whole functionality thing. You know, do you need a pair of pants? Do you want to be zip-offs? Do you want shorts with cargo pockets? That's first and foremost. But you should also consider color scheme. I didn't do a horrible job at it. I could wear a lot of these clothes with each other, but this pair of shorts in particular was frustrating to me because it was just too dark in color. I would have been wise to just buy another pair of shorts that were the same style as this, but a lighter color so that my clothes will work together. Basically what you're going to end up doing is wearing a shirt for a couple of hours maybe, then putting on a different shirt, and you want to be able to kind of mix and match whatever you're doing. If you're going to do something more fun and outside, then you're going to do something that's more formal, to be able to switch out your clothes quickly and not have to think through, well, that one doesn't match with that, but it's dirty and it smells bad. So living out of a bag, that's one more thing you have to do, is pare it down, and you have to pare it down partly based on your color selection. This has been Traveler Rob.